friends, running kimono and Lowe's 95% off of these disinfectant sprays. OMG. Okay, so something really bizarre is happening at Lowe's. It happens every January where certain products get marked down 95%. Very, very cheap. And I just stumbled into some of this Zep antibacterial disinfectant spray. And I'm going to show you precisely how I found it. Blah, blah, blah. If you want to try and find it from the comforts of your home so you don't have to go to the store. But if you are near a Lowe's, absolutely go and walk around the cleaning aisle, end caps, clearance section, because some of this stuff is getting marked down daily, and they usually do this in January and February. So this is Zep. It's called an antibacterial disinfectant spray. Now, at the height of all this craziness back in the year 2020, I could not find any Windex. Yeah, how embarrassing is that? A couponer that doesn't have any Windex. So basically, I had to buy one of these to clean some windows in the spring, and it is a very good brand. So for a lot of you who are like, oh, this is some weird brand, it's actually pretty good. Here's the tag. The price was $4.98. So if it was some really bad brand, it would probably be $1, probably, you know. But 24 cents, so that is 95% off, and it's 32 ounces, so you get a good amount of it. And yeah, I found it on an end cap, and I'll show you what that means. And at checkout, everything was ringing up for 24 cents. Usually when I have a huge amount of like cleaner, I'll go with an Ibotta or Fetch Rewards gift card, so I don't have to pay out of pocket, just scan the gift card. But this was like $2.88 with tax included. I got quite a few, and I was so delighted with it. Okay, so from the comforts of your home, you're going to go to the site brickseek.com. Exactly how that's typed out. This is free to search. What you'll do is you will go to the inventory checker or the different stores, and Lowe's is one of them. You'll click on that, and then you'll punch in the UPC, I'll provide it here in a second, along with your zip code, and that's how you can search. Now, this isn't always a given because sometimes it's wrong, or it'll say there's nothing in stock, and then you'll find everything in stock. So you just take it as a reference point. Obviously, if you see a bunch in stock, maybe I would go right away. But yeah, this, to get this for 24 cents, that's totally what it's about. And as I was telling you guys, I just lucked into it. I knew that there was some different sprays and disinfectant cleaner that was like 90% off. So I'm like, I got to check this out. And I really lucked into it. So this is the UPC, and this is what you will type into the BrickSeek site when it's like inventory checker for Lowe's. And then you should be like, have an idea of, do they have this in stock? How much? Is it 50%? Is it 95? And if it's 95, I would go and check it out and make it happen, guys, because this is just really fantastic to get something at 95% off. We never see these prices over there. So what precisely is an end cap? And this is where I found it. So see this little shelf on the end of a cleaning aisle? That's where I found mine specifically. Sometimes that's where they put it, or they'll put it at the very base of the aisle. That's also another end cap. And it's just a shelf with clearance stuff. Or it might be some freestanding display of clearance stuff. Also, these double packs of these Febreze sprays, they're what, $7.18. So hang on to your wallet tightly. That is quite expensive. A lot of people on Instagram were showing that these were very, very inexpensive, like 24 cents, if not like, I mean, that's like Dollar General pricing right now. And it's for these Christmas scents only. Sorry, this photo is from the Dollar General. I don't have, I could not find any of these holiday scents at my store. I think somebody went and cleared it. And even if I did find a bunch for 24 cents, I had loaded up so much at the Dollar General the day before that I'm like, I don't have room for this fanciness. They also had some sort of like vanilla latte one, which is another holiday scent. But all of these, be on the lookout for it. And if you might see one, ask for a price check. It might be 24 cents. How nice is that? One item that I did find when I was there was this Airwick. It looks cinnamon apple. And if you look at the packaging, it does look holiday-ish to me, at least from my many years of deal finding and nonsense that I do. It rang up for $13.97. So I asked the cashier very nicely. I'm like, could I get a price check? And she's like, oh, absolutely. And she scanned it and she's like, that's $13.97. I'm like, oh, I thought it was on sale. And then I went and put it back. So just be mindful of that. And if you are finding any of these cheaper Airwick, either this little spray kit or the pack of the oils, even at the Dollar General, and you do not have coupons, because I know a lot of us got quite a few, coupons.com has a $1.75 and a $3 rebate for this guy. So you might want to photograph your receipt and send it off to them if you did not use a manufacturer coupon with. Okay, so another product that's doing the jump, or that's part of this, is this 3-pack of this Comet Ultra Concentrated Bleach. So that is quite a bit, but if you're doing construction, you need a lot of this. When we remodeled our basement, we were going through one of these every couple of days. So at my store, it's $4.77, original price $11.98. There's some savings there, but the savings are not spectacular. A friend of mine on Instagram, I think, was getting it for like $1.99 for a 3-pack. And that's absolutely where it's about. I did photograph the UPC for you guys on the box. So punch this into brickseek.com if this is something that you want, especially if you're a newer couponer, like $2 for 3 things of bleach. That is a very good deal. We don't get a lot of deals on bleach like we used to back in the golden era of couponing. This one's called Purebright, and it's another type of bleach. And you know, at the beginning of the pandemic, I think every company had some sort of cleaning agent that was out, and bleach was one thing that they really ramped up the production. And this guy's only 50%, so leave it at the store. And if you look at the those boxes, there's tons and tons of containers of this. So when this hits 75 or cheaper, yeah, there's going to be a good amount at the store. So I didn't even buy it at $1.37. I'm like, they can keep it. And this company, Mrs. Meyer, Clean Day, or Mrs. Meyer, there's various Christmas scents, including peppermint, and it's in the hand soap, the dish soap, and a trigger spray. The UPC is at the bottom there, guys. And then this one, pine dish soap. So these specific ones, if you find them at your store, I think a lot of people are finding them for 17 or 18 cents a pop. A lot of people are sending me photos on Instagram saying, look what I scored. Unfortunately, I think somebody cleared my store, so I didn't find any. This is the last holiday scent. It's called Orange Clove, and this is the spray. So good luck with that. I would definitely look for these because a lot of people are finding them for 20 cents or less, and that's absolutely what it's about. Now, when I do venture into these hardware stores, I like to use a Fetch Rewards or an Ibotta gift card to pay down, so I'm not feeling this out of pocket. And if you're kind of short of this, because if you're anything like me, sometimes I'll use like $22 on a gift card, and then the last $3 will get lost on my phone or I'll forget about it. So make sure to use the full amount, and they do carry the Scrub Daddy line there. So, you know, if you've always wanted this cuteness in your kitchen, and yes, this is totally worth the hype. It's not just like fancy sponges. You might want to grab one of these because I don't know if you're anything like me, but I always have like a remaining $2 or $3 balance and I always forget. And this is like, you know, $3 and some change. So this would be a perfect item to grab if you're using an Ibotta or Fetch Rewards gift card. Back to Ibotta. I made a video yesterday. There are 5 free items, including this pizza for all accounts with your Ibotta account. So if you're off at Lowe's looking around and you get nothing, head over to Walmart and get your free pizza night on Ibotta. It is fantastic. If you are able to refer one friend, once they use your account, you will get all of these and they will get it as well. And this is for new signups who are signing up with Ibotta. There's a catch to this. And I only got 5 free items. There was supposed to be a bag of cheese included, so I don't see the cheese there. Maybe it'll show up later. But all of these items, I mean, this is the perfect time of the year to get some very inexpensive groceries, especially everything that's going on in the world. So check your Ibotta account for that free pizza. And if you can refer one friend, you will get all of these delicious freebies. As always, guys, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.